In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to curve text in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. I'm going to choose Facebook post for this video. Now to add text to your design, just click the text box here. Choose the size and type your sample text. Now click on Effects and scroll down to the shape and select Curve. Now this slider here is used to adjust the curvature of the text. So you may do it like this or even this. And now you have a curved text in Canva. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.